Okay, I will record this. This is just a short one on some of your buttons. So if you have loads and loads of buttons, like 8 on your home screen, obviously you might not have a different, what's it called? A different screen for each one of those buttons. So I'm going to show you. I was going to pick a random button here, my French button for instance, go to the definition. So instead, because it has to be functional, I'm going to get it to show a little message box that pops up instead of a whole new screen. The way that I will do that is I'll say MessageBox.showinfo, and then I'll put my text in here. So you have now changed the language to French. Then if I want another line of text to change back, press English, something like that. And then I can keep doing that until the end. Once I'm done, close the brackets. There we go, done. Now if I press on main, and I click on the French button ideally, if it will run. There you go.
What would